Okay, traders, the NAS100 has gone into a deep retrace. The thing with this is it's trading down into this level here under these previous lows. Okay, this is a bullish order block. If we go into the 4-hour time frame, we'll see that clearly. Bear with me while we go there. Okay, this candle in particular, all right, this is institutional buying through this level here. So this is an accumulation range where they worked in their orders, and we can see that this is the case by the value area, a dip under, and this move here, this thin candle moved with speed and set up an imbalance. Okay, so market comes back down, rebalances. So this is institutional. Okay, that's big. We can look to get involved when you see a structure like this. Now, when we trade down into this kind of area here, guaranteed there is a huge liquidity pool. We're pushing right into it. And the natural reaction when these orders from up here hit this liquidity, right, they get paired with these sell stops, if you will, and we generally see the pullback. Right, so this is a significant liquidity pool. I'll just label it, and then I'm going to show you what I'm looking for in terms of a buy opportunity. Simply put, I mean, I go to a 1 hour, 30-minute, but what I'm going to be looking for is when you see any pullback really, but you've got to have a system that will give you an alert when this is occurring. So, that's trending down. It breaks structure. All right, we come in on the next, okay, Fibonacci on the breakout, bullish break of market structure. I like to look for a move back down into equilibrium, being 50% of this breakout swing. Okay, so I'm going to be looking for the same thing. If and when this moves into, actually look for this to actually, I said actually twice, range. And if it ranges, we know that there's most likely accumulation going on. Watch out for a fake out and then a dip under and then a move with speed and the pullback into the range to get involved. All right. So, well, sometimes it's hard to pick, but you get a bit of a range through here, fake out, shake out. See what I'm getting at? Right. So this is the structure here. You get that. Okay. It a bit of a fake out. Right. Then they shake everyone out and then we're off. So you just got to watch this balance area, the volatility after it, and the move on liquidity under here before it runs. Okay, so I'm looking for the same thing here. So you just need to have systems in place to let you know when that's happening. Now that could happen here. It could happen a little lower. Wherever this plays out, I'm going to be looking for the rotation, right, and entry on a break of market structure. Okay, there's a note, guys. If you are gaining any value from the video, I would really love it if you were to comment. And look, if you've got any ideas or thoughts that you want to share, definitely comment below. That would be awesome. And buy on bullish, break of structure, and retest of the range. If this doesn't play out, there's no, we abandon the idea. But I really like the fact that this is a deep pullback into a level like this. So that's my take on the NAS100. Just be careful. We've got NFP tonight. Friday, you may or may not want to get involved, but after the data release, sometimes we see really aggressive moves in the opposite direction. So if that's the case and this starts to move, that could be an opportunity. If not, then possibly Monday or Tuesday. But that's my take, guys. And with that, I hope you have a fantastic day and see you in the next one.